Julian. We're gonna eat some pie. We're going to hike up a trail, see a waterfall, and maybe we will get camel cheese.
What's up everybody, Ilona Barnhart here. Welcome to my channel. Today, in celebration of Earth Day, I will take you with me as I hike Three Sisters Falls. It's in Julian or around there. I'm with a few friends, so I'm gonna take you with me on this trip. I guess people are saying it's super challenging. There's a little bit of bouldering, maybe some ropes, but we be see, like my stepdad says. Hey, just wanted to report back on Three Sisters Waterfalls. There's literally a big waterfall that spills into a basin, which is pretty deep, which spills into a smaller waterfall with a smaller basin, and then the smallest one of all, hence Three Sisters Waterfall. It's so cute. But there's a lot of people in their bikinis lounging and splashing in the water. I heard it was a little bit chilly, but definitely worth it. And the rope climbing was actually quite fun. On the way out, the hike, because you're coming down as you're walking in towards the falls, on the way out you're literally walking a steady uphill thing, which tends to be the most challenging. And I think that's probably where most people get a little bit of in trouble, especially if it's like super hot. We were fortunate enough to have enough of a breeze, and it was just beautiful, splendid. The water was still there. I think that sometimes it's dry, and yeah, it was just beautiful. Totally worth it. And if you are a hiker and want something new and you want a little bit of an adventure, then this hike is for you. And remember to bring a swimming suit. That's one of the things, like, I thought of it, but it didn't happen. I didn't pack it, so I definitely dipped my toes in there with my Keens, and it was perfect. It was just super yummy. Yeah, so my review of Three Sister Falls.